We just celebrated 60 years of independence. Time come for the next few years to be years of action from us if we wish to truly secure the future for the next generation. And so I want to say to the Prime Minister with the utmost respect that the focus should not be on pushing back at critics. The focus should be on pushing back against poverty by creating people-centered policies. The focus instead should be on pushing back against crime by identifying those root causes and creating serious programs and policies to counteract the challenges. I dare say the focus has to be on pushing forward, not back, with education by building a world-class education system that truly prepares our young people to thrive. We have to attend to these pressing challenges. Our politics might be different, but this is our Jamaica. We have to move with a sense of urgency. My generation, the generation of your children and grandchildren, it depends on us doing the right thing right now. Time for.